From the time you connect to the internet till the time you go offline, every single move of yours is constantly being tracked by somebody or the other. For the average internet user, it has become almost impossible to do anything on the internet without being tracked either by the government or tech companies like Google, Facebook, Apple, and others. Edward Snowden has famously shown the amount of data that governments around the world are collecting about the internet activity of users through simple network sniffers and traffic analysis tools. Even if you are not doing anything illegal, it is important to protect your privacy on the internet. If you want to keep your internet browsing activity anonymous and hide it from the prying eyes of the government, then you should consider using the Tor browser. 1. The Tor browser, torproject.org, is a free tool that allows you to bounce your internet activity of a network of anonymous relay servers. Tor has a few thousand servers located in different parts of the world, run by volunteers who support internet privacy and anonymity. Each time you run the Tor browser, your internet connection is routed via 3 randomly chosen Tor servers located in different parts of the world. The Tor browser will secure your online activity from not only the government, but also from websites that are trying to spy on you. The best part about Tor is that you can use it without installing it on your computer, which makes it easy for you to use the Tor browser not only at home but also at work. Two, each time you visit a website on the internet, you are automatically revealing a lot of private and confidential information about yourself to it, including your IP address, your location, your service provider, and others. To get a sense of the amount of information that you are revealing to each and every website you visit on the internet, simply open your browser to www.whatismyipaddress.com. 3. If you are doing something that you want to keep anonymous, then you can start an anonymous connection at any time by launching the Tor browser. Click on the Connect button and the Tor browser will automatically download the relay server information, establish an anonymous connection, and open a secure browser window for you. Make sure that you use this browser window to visit websites anonymously. 4. To verify that the Tor browser has successfully hidden your identity, open your browser to whatismyipaddress.com and make sure that your IP address and location has been successfully changed. 5. At any point in time, if you want to change your identity and get a new IP address for yourself, click on the Tor button in the left top corner of your browser and then choose the New Identity option from the drop-down menu. Within a few seconds, Tor will reroute your connection, bounce you off another set of randomly chosen Tor servers, and give you a new identity, IP address, and location. To verify that your identity has changed, you can once again open your browser to whatismyipaddress.com.